Hey everyone! Keeping your floors clean every day can feel impossible, especially with pets, busy schedules, and dust building up faster than you can keep up. That's why today I'm breaking down the best new Roborock models that make cleaning fully hands-free and incredibly easy. If you want stronger suction, smarter mapping, and true set-and-forget convenience, this video is for you. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Product number 1. Roborock Qrevo Series QV35A. The Roborock QV35A is a powerful all-round cleaner with 8,000 pascals suction, upgraded anti-tangle brushes, and dual 200 revolutions per minute spinning mops for deeper floor care. Its all-in-one dock handles dust emptying, mop washing, drying, and water refilling, giving you true hands-free cleaning for weeks. With reactive tech obstacle avoidance and precise sense LiDAR, it moves smoothly around cables, edges, and furniture without getting stuck. The 10mm mop lift prevents wet streaks when switching from hard floors to low carpets. Through the app, you can schedule runs, view detailed maps, and set custom no-go zones easily. Overall, it's a solid upgrade from the Qrevo S, delivering a clean balance of strong suction, smart navigation, and full automation for busy users and pet homes. Product number 2. Roborock Q10 S5+. The Roborock Q10 S5 delivers a major jump in cleaning strength with 10,000 pascals suction. Great for carpets, pet hair, and busy homes. Its 70-day self-emptying dock means less maintenance, and the dual anti-tangle design keeps hair from wrapping around the brushes. The Viborize 2.0 system uses fast sonic scrubbing to remove stains effectively, and the mop lifts automatically on carpets to keep them dry. With LiDAR navigation, fast mapping, ultrasonic carpet detection, and a beginner-friendly app, the Q10 S5 moves with precision instead of bumping around. It's a noticeable improvement over older Q-series models and offers powerful, quiet, and efficient cleaning at a strong mid-range price. Product number 3. Roborock Qrevo CurvX. The Roborock Qrevo CurvX is built for maximum performance, delivering an incredible 22,000 pascals hyperforce suction that pulls out deep embedded dirt from carpets and tight spaces. Its ultra-slim 3.14-inch design reaches under sofas and cabinets with ease. The zero-tangling duo-divide brush, flexi-arm side brush, and 17mm mop lift help it adapt across hard floors, carpets, and corners. The dock uses 80 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing and warm air, drying to keep everything hygienic. Its AdaptiLift chassis adjusts height to clear obstacles, while Structured Light AI and LiDAR ensure accurate navigation in light or dark rooms. Overall, it's a top-tier powerhouse made for large homes, heavy messes, and users who want the strongest cleaning Roborock offers. Product number 4. Roborock Qrevo S5V. The Roborock Qrevo S5V focuses on precise cleaning with a flexi-arm mop that reaches edges, corners, and around table legs. With 12,000 pascals suction, it easily picks up dust, hair, and larger debris. The dual 200 revolutions per minute mops scrub effectively and lift 10mm when crossing low carpets. Its all-in-one dock empties dust, refills water, washes the pads, and uses warm air drying to prevent odors. The SGS-certified zero-tangle brush system is great for homes with pets. With reactive obstacle detection and LiDAR mapping, the S5V navigates neatly through clutter. You can control modes, zones, and rooms easily through the app. It's a reliable, smart option that delivers clean floors with minimal effort. Product number 5. Roborock Q7 L5. The Roborock Q7 L5 is a budget-friendly robot that still offers strong 8,000 pascals suction and dual anti-tangle brushes for everyday cleaning. It can vacuum and mop together using an electronic water tank, and its LiDAR mapping quickly creates accurate floor plans. It detects tricky spots, like cables or chair legs, and suggests no-go zones automatically. Despite the lower price, you still get multi-floor mapping, zone cleaning, carpet boost, custom schedules, and quiet operation. The Q7 L5 is easy to maintain, simple to use, and ideal for small to medium homes or first-time users who want reliable cleaning without complex docks or premium pricing. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.